Dude, look at Maggie's in the truck. Look in the windshield. Look up there. Hi, Maggie. Hi, Maggie. One thing about Utah Lake State Park, spider webs.
Getting ready to hook up for the first time to the new big truck. A little bit nervous, but here we go. I'm gonna pull up and back to it, and then I'll have to get out and raise it probably to get to the head. But see it really well with that camera.
What do you need me for? Supervisor?
Yeah. Yeah, let's try that.
Okay, here we go. This is going to be exciting. Exciting day. New adventures. First time. Look at that. You're good.
Tell I'm towing something.
Really?
That's pretty awesome. All right, I gotta get this dump.
Yesterday was a test run on putting the Smart in. Today's for the real thing. Might as well do it while we're dumping the tanks, huh? Why not? Hey, Smarty.
Hello, Smarty.
Hello, Smarty. Stop. Hey, you could go try out for the NASCAR.
I didn't think she was gonna go up that ramp. When I stopped, the tire spun.
Hello. Hello. Oh, goodness.
Well, good morning. We made it to Sidney, Nebraska last night. We stayed here at Cabela's. It's a beautiful Cabela's. Has a huge RV parking lot. There's actually a full service campground that Cabela owns over there by that white fence. It was super quiet. It was nice and cool. We finally got out of the heat. We're gonna hit the road. We're gonna head to Omaha, and then we're gonna keep making our way to Howe, Indiana, where the DRV factory is. The view from the big truck. Are you girls ready? Maggie's having her snack.
I have my coffee, sparkling water and ice water back there. And you had the same setup.
And the air conditioner's on, it's nice and cool. Checked all the lights.
Kitty cat's good.
Turn on the CB. Good morning. Well, we made it to Davenport, Iowa, and we're right by the freeway. But we stayed at the Rhythm Casino here in Davenport. Really nice. They got ample RV and truck parking. And it was really quiet, so we got a good night's sleep, and we're gonna hit the road today. We're actually going to Howe, Indiana, to the DRV factory. The little part of the cabinet below our fridge has slipped or broken. Something's wrong with it, so we're this way anyway, so I figure we'll stop at DRV and let them take a look at it. We're gonna hit the road and head to Indiana. Well, good morning from Howe, Indiana. Well, I got my little list here of a few items for DRV to look at. We're here at the factory. These guys are hard at work already. It's way early. They're in there working on mobile suites and all other kinds of coaches. Yeah, we made it. Made it with the big truck. There's the big dog, the little car. So they're gonna pull the coach in here in a minute and look at a few little items we have, get them all fixed up, and then we'll be ready to hit the road. So once the hitch extension was complete on the truck, our main goal is to meet up with Jim and Kelly with Sweet Travels and then head up through Michigan to the Upper Peninsula. But on our way to Indiana, we broke our DRV. The guys at the DRV factory fixed our refrigerator cabinet. They fixed the bottom, repaired it nicely. They were super quick and they were super cool, And if you need to go to DRV Factory for any repairs, I highly recommend them, man. Those guys really took care of us, and that's just another reason why we love DRV so much. With our cabinet all squared away, we set off to find a frame/suspension shop. The roads in Illinois and Indiana were completely horrible, and I thought that I had bent a bolt on the suspension. I'll show you here in just a second, but actually the bolt was broken. So we located a suspension shop in Elkhart, Indiana called Axles Inc. And if you're ever in Elkhart, Indiana and you need suspension work done on your RV or trailer, call Axle Inc. They were amazing. So here we are under the coach, and hopefully you can see this. This wet bolt right here the ends were tilted, so it looked like it was bent, but when he took it apart, it was actually broken. So we replaced all of these. The bushing inside here was plastic instead of brass, so we replaced all the bushings, replaced these bolts, replaced all of our shocks, and he got us back on the road. Everything's been working great since, so no issues there. I think we just wore out a bushing, and it was time to get everything checked out, and we got a clean bill of health. He went through and he repacked all of our bearings. We replaced one bearing because it looked a little bit like it'd been hot. So he really took care of us. Those guys are amazing. Again, Axle Inc. in Elkhart, Indiana. They hooked us up and got us to where we could get back on the road. Howe, Indiana was a really good stop for us. We were able to get some repairs made, get us back on the road. Unfortunately, we were not able to do a DRV factory tour because of COVID, but if you want to see a really good factory tour of DRV, I'll put a link up above and in the description below. So go check out Jim and Kelly's DRV factory tours over at Sweet Travels on YouTube, and that'll give you a really good idea of what the DRV factory tour is like. We're gonna have to make another trip up to Indiana to go do that tour, maybe next year. But for now, we're gonna start heading up through Michigan with Sweet Travels. We're gonna spend 3 or 4 weeks with them, just touring up through the northern part of Michigan. So look forward to those videos on their way. We've got more truck videos coming as well. We're actually gonna start working on the bed of our truck in a couple of days. So that's gonna be coming out soon. So I do wanna give you an update on the truck. The truck performed flawlessly. It's so comfortable, rides so smooth. You can put many, many more miles on in that truck and not even feel like you've gone anywhere. So it's awesome. But I wanted to give you that update that yes, this was our first tow. So thanks for coming along with us on our first tow. We're gonna get the truck bed built. We're gonna get the smart car up on the back of the truck. That's kind of our next mission. And then we're gonna keep traveling. So thanks for coming along with us. We appreciate all of you following along. We're having a blast with the big truck. We hope you're enjoying this video series as well. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the videos. Please leave comments below. We love interacting with you guys, and we love some of the input that you guys have. You've really helped us out on a few occasions. So that's really all I have for you today. Hope everyone is well. Stay safe, and until next time, safe travels. Bye.